these things, and we have 3 weather systems that will impact our area. The first one underway, raining now. There's a gap. You can see the wind pretty good now, and that is definitely going to be a factor tonight, the wind picking up. You can see the clouds moving in real time in Summersville, more showers on the way. So we're going to go from rain to snow, but this is more like the northwest flow, bands of snow, little squalls, narrow areas. I was looking at one model that had like a stripe of snow connected from around Summersville all the way up to Lake Michigan, like 350, 400 miles long, but maybe 8 miles wide. So that's what you're looking at. Okay, winter weather advisories in the purple, and that's mainly for the highest terrain in Floyd and Pike, and then you're saying, but it skips. Well, again, let's just imagine it's the highest mountains that connect all the way on up, and then you get to a blizzard warning. What is that? That's for the wind, 45 miles per hour plus, 48 inches of snow up here, and it's about low visibility and continual strong winds. That's the definition for a blizzard. How about this? Canaan Valley, just a little bit ago, I grabbed some video. They have that blizzard warning, but great skiing. Yes, absolutely. The skiers are going to love that. What do you guys call that? Fresh pow, right? That's what you skiers and you snowboarders call that. Got some fresh powder, but it's kind of wet too. That's going to change. Winds 25 miles per hour, but then it's going to just really zip up here in the high terrain. But we don't really have any gauges right there, but 45 plus. Temperatures in the 40s and falling. We're going to get down to about 29. There's the heaviest rainfall right now. It's not severe. Don't see lightning with it, which is kind of interesting, but that's coming through Putnam. That's going to scrape across the area. This has kind of a tail end all the way back into Lawrence County in Kentucky. Then there's a gap, and then we're going to get into the colder air coming in later tonight, and let's check it out on Predictor, and then we have multiple looks at snow for you. Here's the rain, 6:30. It changes over about 9 to a few couple of snow showers, but then these are streamer bands. So there's a strong wind coming down from the northwest, and you get these parallel lines of snow. So there will be some accumulation. And really, the model projects it here, but could it be there? Could it be there? Yes. So keeping an open mind of very narrow channels of some accumulation of snow, but certainly in the high terrain. Then it's quiet until tomorrow night. Here's the next clipper. This one is one of those that catches everybody pretty much with about 1 to 3 inches of snow. And it's still going Friday morning. So Friday morning's commute, I'm thinking, is like kind of thumbs down. We're not jumping up and down, but it's not going to be great, okay? So we should prepare mentally that one could be not fun at all. And there might be a pocket that jumps up higher than the 3 inches of snow, but traditionally they don't bring more than that. And then there's another one that comes in when? Saturday night. That one catches everyone too now, according to the weather models, and that's another potential 1 to 3 inches. So just tonight, please hang with me on this, and if I can just get your attention in the room for a second. Let's look. Tonight through tomorrow, there will be some little bands, little stripes that have maybe up to an inch. Everywhere else, not much. East of Charleston, it steps up 1 inch on the grass, maybe 2. East of there, it steps up. East of Summersville, 2 to 4 inches in the grass, and then 8 to 10 up high. That's the first system. And then we bring in the clipper Thursday night, Friday, and then we're trying to total this up. So it's about 1 to 3 for many of us in the lowlands, 1 to 3 inches of snow. But now around Summersville, you've got about 4 or 5 over here on the grass, 8 to 12 up in the high terrain. I'm not even going to try to add in a separate version for that Saturday snow because, again, that just gets complicated. So think about tonight, not much unless you're in the mountains. The next one, 1 to 3 inches. The next one, 1 to 3 inches. Roadways will be wet until when? After midnight in the morning. See these little bands? That's where you could see pockets of the road being kind of bad in the morning. Just slick more than anything. It's not a shoveling snow for most of us tomorrow. And it's 34 tomorrow. Yes, we do get the taste of Arctic air. So we talked about the system Thursday night into Friday morning. There's another one Saturday late into Sunday morning, and then the Arctic air. So 21 down to 7, back to 29. But I have news, y'all. It's going to flip. The script is flipping. It's going back to warm. You're going to start seeing, remember all the purple and blue scary cold maps? Now we've got the orange and red and the yellows because it's going to get warmer than normal after the middle of next week, and maybe we have a big melt-off for Christmas. Whew.